In this video, we will see how to give permission to other YouTube channels or YouTube channel managers to manage our YouTube channel. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Let's first log into our YouTube account. Next, click YouTube profile icon and next click your YouTube Studio tab. We need to click Settings tab on the left of our YouTube Studio page. And next, click Permission tab on the Settings pop-up window. Next, click Invite Text link and enter the email of the person to whom you wish to give permission to manage and handle your YouTube activity. Next, we can select the level of access from the list Manager, Editor, Viewer, and Viewer Limited Access we want to give the person in handling the channel. We need to decide and give access to the person who are trustworthy, as we will be responsible for the actions of people to whom we give channel access. Invitations will be sent by email to the people who we intend to give access to will and expire after 30 days if they do not accept it. Once the email access permission is accepted, they can log into their YouTube account and access my YouTube account from their account by clicking on my channel. Here, depending on the access level given to them, they can perform the activity they were appointed to or given access to. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial video. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.